Hi, my name is Cassie Conway and I teach New Visions here at BOCES. New Visions is a great opportunity for students who are looking to prepare for post-secondary education. We talk about information, skills, and gain experience that will help you after high school. There are some focus areas like engineering, communication, business management, and law. Those are the areas that I have students in this year. So the great opportunity is they get to go out and internship in the Mohawk Valley. So they go through 4 internships. They run about 8 weeks each. They're there Monday through Thursday, and then on Fridays they come here for class where you'll take college English and you'll get college credit for personal finance as well as government and economics. Another great opportunity is getting the opportunity to go to class with students from all different areas, all different districts, so you're not in the same class that you've been in for your entire school career. You get to meet people from other districts, and we become like a family by the end of the year, which is great. Some things that we talk about at the beginning of the year, you'll see that I have some mannequins up here with professional attire. So we talk about what professionalism is, how you should dress for an internship, how you should behave. We talk a lot about soft skills. Obviously, those 2 mannequins are dressed for a business internship, but we talk about how if you're going to, let's say the zoo, you're in vet science, that's not how you would dress. This is how you would dress. Or we've had business students at the fitness mill, so obviously you're not going to wear a suit to the fitness mill. So we talk about what's appropriate, what's not. We build resumes, cover letters, anything that we can do to help you prepare for life after high school. In terms of internships, internships will be chosen based on your field. So like I said, business management, we've had students at American Heart Association, fitness mill. Education, you'll be in elementary schools in the area. This year we had students in Whitesboro and Oriskany, etc. Engineering as well. Communications, we had the opportunity to have a student up at Assemblyman Brian Miller's office, so they gained great experience there. So you do gain a lot of experience. You get to see a variety of different areas in the field that you're interested in. So in order to get into the New Visions program, you should contact your guidance office. Your guidance counselor can give you information on how to apply. Your application will be sent to BOCES where it will be reviewed, and then you should hear back in late spring if you're accepted into the program. I hope you take this great opportunity and reach out if you have any questions. Thank you.